Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDAct MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which of the following is true about the ATP produced in glycolysis? A. It is produced by oxidative phosphorylation. B. It is produced by substrate level phosphorylation. And D. It is produced in the mitochondria. D. It is produced from NADH. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which molecule is not directly involved in the Krebs cycle? A. Acetyl coenzyme. B. Oxaloacetate. C. Glucose. D. Citrate. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is during which stage of cellular respiration is carbon dioxide release? A. Glycolysis. B. Krebs cycle. C. Electron transport chain. And D. Fermentation. So the correct option is B. Krebs cycle. The next MCQ is the chi-osmotic theory explains how A. ATP synthesized during glycolysis. B. The proton gradient drives ATP synthesis. C. Glucose is converted to pyruvate. And D. NADH and FADH2 are generated. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which process occurs in the mitochondrial matrix? A. Electron transport chain. B. Krebs cycle. C. ATP synthesis. And D. Glycolysis. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is the enzyme that convert fructose 1,6-biphosphate into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is A. Idulose. B. Phosphofructokinase. And D. Hexokinase. And D. Inulose. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is a product of the transition reaction between glycolysis and the Krebs cycle? A. Pyruvate. B. Acetyl coenzyme. C. FADH2 and D. Glucose. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is in the Krebs cycle, the enzyme that catalyzes the formation of citrate from oxaloacetate and acetyl coenzyme. A. Citrate synthase. B. Isocitrate dehydrogenase. And C. Succinate dehydrogenase. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which molecule is formed when FAD is reduced in the Krebs cycle? A. NADH. B. FADH2. C. ATP. D. CO2. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is how many molecules of NADH are produced per turn of the Krebs cycle? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the proton gradient established during the electron transport chain is also known as A. Proton motive force. B. Electrochemical gradient. C. Osmotic pressure. And D. Electrical potential. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is a direct product of the Krebs cycle? A. Glucose. B. NADH. And C. Pyruvate. D. Lactic acid. So the correct option is B. Which metabolic pathways directly produce carbon dioxide as a byproduct? A. Glycolysis. B. Electron transport chain. C. Krebs cycle. D. Fermentation. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which molecule is generated in the final step of glycolysis? A. Glucose. B. ATP. C. Pyruvate. So the correct option is B. ATP. The next MCQs is in the process of cellular respiration, the reduction of oxygen occur in which part of the mitochondria? A. Inner mitochondrial membrane, B. Outer mitochondrial membrane, C. Mitochondrial matrix, and D. Intermembrane space. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which enzyme is in the glycolysis pathway is responsible for the phosphorylation of glucose to glucose 6 phosphate? A. Hexokinase, B. Phosphoproctokinase, and D. Aldolase, and D. Inulase. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is the conversion of isocitrate to alpha ketoglutarate in the Krebs cycle is catalyzed by A. Isocitrate dehydrogenase, B. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, C. Succinate dehydrogenase, and D. Citrate synthase. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is during which stage of cellular respiration is most produced? A. Glycolysis, B. Krebs cycle, C. Electron transport chain, and D. Fermentation. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following is a product of both the Krebs cycle and the electron transport chain? A. NADH, B. FADH2, C. CO2, and D. ATP. So the correct option is ATP. The next MCQ is which of the following process is used to regenerate NAD plus in anaerobic condition? A. Krebs cycle, B. Electron transport chain, C. Fermentation, D. Glycolysis. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which molecule is produced from the reduction of NAD plus during glycolysis? A. ATP, B. FADH2, C. NADH, and D. CO2. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is in the context of cellular respiration. What is the role of cytochrome C? A. To transfer electron between complex in the electron chain. B. To phosphorylate ADP to ATP. C. To oxidize NADH. D. To convert glucose to pyruvate. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is an electron carrier that is reduced in the Krebs cycle? A. FADH, B. ATP, C. NAD plus C. D. Coenzyme A. The correct option is A. The next MCQ is which process involved the conversion of pyruvate to ethanol and CO2 in yeast? A. Lactic acid fermentation, B. Alcoholic fermentation, C. Anaerobic respiration. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is in glycolysis, the conversion of 3-phosphoglycerate to 2-phosphoglycerate is catalyzed by a phosphoglycerate mutase, phosphofructokinase, C. Enolase, and D. Adolase. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which molecule is involved in the electron transport chain? A coenzyme, B. Cytochrome, C. ATP synthase, and D. Pyruvate. So the correct option is D. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDK MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.